Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn how you can duplicate a board on Trello. So let's get started. So click on Trello, and as you can see, I have created a board here that I want to duplicate. By meaning duplicate, I want to make a copy of it exactly like it should have all the attachments, everything that is in this board. So simply just click on these three dots, and now you can see an option with a symbol of copy. So click on it, and you can name this board that you want to duplicate. I will just simply name it as duplicate. Alright, now click on checked, and now click on back, and as you can see, we have successfully duplicated our Trello board. So click on it, and as you can see, you will find similar cards in it, and you will find all the lists that you have added in the previous board. So that's how you can duplicate a board on Trello. That's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. See you soon. Have a good day.